Probably when we hit a hill, you'll probably be miles ahead again. Keep left. Oh shit.
Oh, there's a turn up here. I'm cutting inside.
You're good. Oh, wait! Oh, wait a minute. You jackass. I didn't think you meant all the way inside. Oh my gosh.
Did I hit you though? Is that my fault?
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm going
that's
0
my
miles
bad.
an hour right now.
That's my bad.
You pinched me in between the wall and the shoulder.
That's totally my bad.
I thought you meant inside, like you were gonna hit the 2 cars and...
I thought I was ahead of you far enough.
What the hell was that? Okay, oh.
No grapefruit.
What? Are you okay?
Go ahead.
No, nothing.
Oh, okay. Keep your secrets. According to my mirror, this game is cap.
Uh-oh.
According to my mirror, dude, I was past you. I don't know what happened. I could have sworn.
Must have been glitched or something. Or how it shows that I'm actually like behind you, but I'm actually like right to your right. Turn on my Christmas lights on my truck now. You have your flashers on?
I don't.
Are you sure?
Landed it.
Justin,
Dude.
you landed it.